Hi guys, I did have this video here, Revelation 6, the first passing of the throne Nibiru, the throne of God, and all the government run inside the underground cities, which is dens in the rocks of the mountains. This is the fulfillment of Revelation 16, 6, 15, 17. The sixth seal, first passing event happens. And the kings of the earth, and the great men, and the rich men, and the chief captains, and the mighty men, and every bondman, and every freeman hid themselves in the dens in the rocks of the mountains, and said to the mountains and rocks, Fall on us, and hide us from the face of him that sitteth on the throne, for the wrath, and from the wrath of the Lamb, for the great day of his wrath is come, and who shall be able to stand? Now remember, that's what they say, the kings of the earth, the Illuminati. They think this is the wrath of God, and they've run to hide in these underground cities to survive. And they believe this is the great day of the great day of the Lord's wrath, but it's not. It's actually the first passing. The great day and the wrath of God comes at the second passing, right at the very end, where the two witnesses are finished, where the Antichrist is pretty much finished his 3.5 years. But let's not digress. Well, I took a few snapshots of the video, and it basically is in Missouri, I believe, the Ozarks, the Ozark Mountains, and they have these underground facilities. They drove into the facility through these quite narrow doors, which they'll probably seal up maybe during the time of the thrones passing over. They drive in, see obviously in and out, and you can see how the government have channeled out the stone. They've literally dug themselves like worms, dig themselves into wood. They've dug themselves into rock, being made their own little hives even to keep themselves, probably, I'm guessing, military equipment and everything else down there. And how big they are is you can fit 2 trucks, Arctic trucks down there, no problem, in the lanes. And it goes on forever in the video. There's a truck there, passing straight by. And then outside they've got buses. Oh, the train tracks. The train tracks can actually run through the bunkers. Obviously that was not there before, because they've literally channeled into pieces of rock. So they've put railroad tracks going through the bunkers themselves for probably easy access to drop off supplies, and they've been stocking these bunkers with supplies. And outside they've got buses to pick up the chosen ones. They've got green energy vehicles, probably because maybe fuel might be a problem at that time, I don't know. So yeah, very interesting video, although it's been taken down. But I do have another one on the website which takes you for a tour inside these bunkers. This one here, I believe, on the website says on the side here where you've got video directory, and you'll find it at the place where it's supposed to be, tour of underground cities. And they drive inside these with the cameras rolling, various ones, I suppose, around the country, that Ozark one being one of the biggest. So that one's still live, but I'll replace the other Revelation 6 underground facility video. Still plays for me, like. Interestingly enough, where it talks about the copyright claim, right? It says about copyright claim, but the bit that they're claiming against you is not the whole video. The whole video is not even mine, right? And the bit that they want taken out is the bit where it shows you the bunkers, the bit where they're driving through the city and everything else. They don't want that taken out, and they're talking to the mayor and they're driving through the city and having to do it. which is the whole thing should be copyrighted. But no, the copyright infringement is when they drive and they video the inside of the bunkers. So I don't really think that YouTube's, you know, copyright infringement has, you know, anything to do with someone else's radio TV show broadcast. I think it's like they're just trying to get rid of people showing you videos of the inside of them bunkers. Well, they're real. They're totally real. And you know, if you want the video that I've got still saved on this, then I'll send it to you. But for now, you know, this fulfills the part of the Bible where the throne passes over at the sixth seal. And the 7th year deal is made, and the bearer of the throne of God is closing in. We might see him like the sign of the Son of Man, a crucifix in the sky, and all the earthquakes and everything else will be rising up. Possibly the Hoover Dam will even break as another sign. Late warning signs, fiery hail coming from the sky, and then bang, he hits us at the sixth seal, and there's a great earthquake, and the sun will go down at noontime. The moon will be seen blood red, the earth poles will turn round, twist round, and the sun will go down at noontime. And that's when the government will run to the underground facilities, dens in the rocks of the mountains, and say, "Foreigners and hide us from him who sits on the throne and for the Lamb, for the great day of their wrath is come, and who's going to be able to stand?" Because they're so shit scared. Anyway, God bless you all. I've been Pastor Prophet Justin Roberts from End of the Age Bible Prophecy. God bless you all. Amen.